Hello, and welcome to Psychology 802. My name is Dr. Val Flores, and I will be walking alongside you during this part of your doctoral journey. There are a couple of orders of business I want to draw to your attention so that you are most successful in this course. First, please always read my announcements. I embed valuable daily announcements within the Announcements tab. These announcements can also be found in the main forum. More importantly, I provide additional information in my announcements that assists you in your assignments so that you are more successful. Second, please check your individual forum every time you log into LoudCloud, which should be a minimum of 3 times per week. At the start of this class, I sent you an informative message in the individual forum, or the IF. When you have IF messages from me, you may notice that the IF does not always light up orange. So please always click on the IF to check and see if you have a message. Also select the white All tab before clicking on the IF. This will allow you to view past messages from me as well as current ones. Third, please make sure to read all of my policies posted in the Questions to Instructor forum, or the QTI. At the start of the class, I posted 2 groups of posts there in the QTI. One is labeled, quote, required, read and acknowledge these policies, end quote. And the second is labeled, quote, required, DQs and participation guidelines, end quote. Please scroll down and read all the posts embedded within each of these required QTI posts. Doing so will prevent confusion and help ensure your success moving forward. My general office hours are posted in the IF message that I sent you, the announcements, and the main forum this week. I kindly ask that you attempt to reach me in the following order. First, through IF. Second, through email, and third, through a phone call. Please reserve phone calls for more complex questions or involves conversations. If you think your question is relevant to the class and my response would benefit the entire group, go ahead and post your question in the QTI. With that said, please never post about your grades, your feedback, or your individual assignment in the QTI. I thank you in advance. In this class, we do not generally see each other face to face, as you see me right now. Instead, our writing skills represent us in the main forum as we engage in discussion. For that reason, I ask that we maintain a respectful tone in our writing. Ask yourself, would you say this out loud in a room of respected peers? If the answer is no, then please do not type it. Remember that your class is comprised of a diverse, dynamic group of professionals from all walks of life with a wide spectrum of life experiences. With that said, please also proceed with correct grammar and spelling. Hold yourself to a higher scholarly standard by always proofreading your posts before submitting them, and always using the spell check button on the upper right hand of the response box. Do this for all posts and correspondences in LoudCloud in the spirit of maintaining scholarly communication among ourselves. Well, that about wraps it up. Now, make sure you send me an individual forum message acknowledging that you viewed this welcome video in its entirety, and make the subject line welcome video. Thank you so much for choosing GCU. I am truly honored and humbled to assist you along this part of your journey. Let's get started.